Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my home office here. Very casual today. We just had a hurricane blow through here last week. Been doing a lot of work, so I just haven't got dressed up. I'm going to talk to you today about the offer and compromise and what your best option is to go ahead and get that through. Let me make sure I'm spot on. So I want to tell you really how to get your offer and compromise really accepted by the Internal Revenue Service. I used to work the offer and compromise. I'm not a normal person that you see on YouTube. I actually worked at IRS for 10 years. I taught the offer and compromise, used to accept them and deny offers, say hi to Sammy. I don't know. She's like a rug. She doesn't do really much, but she's here like that. Anyway, the offer and compromise is a really unique opportunity to use settle your debt with IRS. Most people don't qualify. They just absolutely don't qualify. I used to accept them and deny them. Last year, 13,000 offers got accepted by the Internal Revenue Service. If you want an offer through, really, I'm one of the kings to get my team is too, really, to get the offer and compromise through. I don't want you to file the offer if you don't have a shot. And the IRS has a pre-qualifier tool. I ask you to look at the IRS pre-qualifier tool to find out if you can get it accepted. You'll learn online whether it's good or it's not. We work larger cases. When I see your financial statement, I'm going to know in about 15 seconds whether you qualify for the offer. I'm looking at two basic things: your assets, what's that worth, and I'm looking at your income versus your expenses. It really takes me. If I can turn the page quicker, I can find out how fast. You'd be surprised how fast I can make this determination. But the offer and compromise is a really specific piece. Don't go shelling your money out to people, because most people who are telling you about this offer never accepted an offer. They don't know back end really what's going on. Make sure you're not speaking to a salesman. 90% of the times you speak to somebody, it's a salesperson. Those people want your money. They will sell you garbage. They will tell you anything. The offer and compromise is very specific. That's why IRS went through the trouble of making a pre-qualifier tool so you don't get ripped off. Use it. There's an IRS pre-qualifier tool. Google that. If you owe a large debt and you want us to look at it to possible settle your tax debt for pennies on a dollar, I'll take a look at it. How many cases do I actually work? I guess I actually wind up 1 out of 10. 9, I tell you can't, but I'm honest with you. If I'm taking your offer, you got a really good shot at getting accepted. Why? I know the system real well. Thank you very much for listening. I told you the truth. I work both sides of this. I know it so well. Give me a like, a subscription. That's really big. It lets YouTube know we're doing well. If you text me or everything or call it goes right to my phone. I don't waste time with people, so I know what I'm doing. Thank you for listening. I always appreciate a subscription. Thank you very much.